Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has directed a statewide crackdown on fake news and a tightening of law and order measures. He instructed officials to closely monitor both traditional and social media, respond swiftly to misinformation, and provide regular fact checks to the public. All districts, particularly sensitive regions, have been ordered to conduct mock drills. Deputy commissioners, superintendents of police, and police commissioners are required to hold daily press briefings until normalcy is restored. The Chief Minister also emphasized the need for enhanced coastal security, constant patrolling, and strict action against black market activities and illegal stockpiling. Recruitment for civil defense volunteers will begin shortly, and fire and emergency services will remain on high alert around the clock. Siddaramaiah also issued a stern warning that any attempts to incite communal tensions or threaten national security will be met with stringent legal consequences.